Hi, this is Dr. Hayat, and now I'm going to discuss the beneficial effects of egg. Egg contain high quality of protein because it is rich in those nine essential amino acids which are required for our body. Egg is rich in nutrients like vitamins and minerals. For example, vitamin B12 is present in the egg and help in the nerve function and nerve formation and as well as in the formation of RBC. Eggs support eye health because eggs contain carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants prevent the retina from damage and also filter the harmful and high energy light waves. Egg also promote brain health because it contains choline and choline is a precursor for acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter and involved in memory and learning. Egg also boosts our immune system because it contains vitamin A, and vitamin A is helpful in maintaining healthy skin and mucous membrane, which provide the physical barrier to the infection. Egg also help in the management of body weight because it contains proteins, and due to proteins, we feel fullness throughout the day because it promotes satiety and prevent extra intake of calories. It also supports bone health because it contains vitamin D and it is helpful in the regulation of calcium level in the blood and also promote and help in bone mineralization. So thank you.